If you want to disable guest mode browsing in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to turn it off on Windows using Command Prompt so you can prevent people from opening Chrome in guest mode on your device. This is especially useful if you're managing a shared computer, a work device, or just want a little more control over your browser settings. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, click the Windows search bar on your taskbar and type CMD. When Command Prompt appears in the results, don't open it normally. Instead, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the command we're about to use needs admin privileges to make a system-level policy change. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. Once the Command Prompt window opens, you're going to type or paste a single command exactly as shown. The command is regaddhklm stopware policies Google Chrome /v BrowserGuestModeEnabled /d0. After you paste it in, press Enter on your keyboard. If the command is entered correctly, Windows will add a Chrome policy that disables guest mode browsing. In other words, this tells Google Chrome not to allow guest browsing on the computer. After that, you may see a confirmation message in Command Prompt letting you know the operation completed successfully. If you do, that means the setting has been applied. Now, the final step is very important. Restart your computer for the change to take effect. Once the PC restarts, open Google Chrome and check the guest option again. You should now find that guest mode is disabled. If you're doing this on a work or school machine, this can help enforce a cleaner browsing environment and keep users from opening anonymous sessions. And that's it. You've now disabled guest mode browsing in Google Chrome using a simple Windows command. If this video helped, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.